Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Doba AI Store Builder. Okay, so imagine if you could launch an entire Shopify dropshipping store in just a few minutes without any product research, without theme customization, without writing descriptions, and without manually importing hundreds of products. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do all of this to generate like a complete Shopify dropshipping using artificial intelligence. We are going to go from a blank Shopify account to a fully populated online store with products, branding, collections, and optimized listing. Now guys, I want to quickly mention that this has a free trial that you can start, but it's not for free because it's going to cost you $1. In any case, I think it's well worth it because it's going to give you access to all of the features. So as you can see, this has evolved far beyond a traditional dropshipping marketplace, and this is going to offer like a full ecosystem that is going to help automate nearly every stage of launching an e-commerce business. You can create an online store like fully. And the AI store builder is going to work best when it's connected to a Shopify, so make sure you already have a Shopify store created before continuing. In order to do this, you're just going to click on stores, and instead of clicking on build now, you're going to click on already have a store connected now, and you can easily connect it with Shopify in here or with any other one. But for this tutorial, we're just going to skip that, and we're going to build it from scratch by clicking on build my store. So let's click in here. The system will begin by asking you information about your business, like the needs, the concept, the style, and the target audience. In this case, I'm going to create like a fitness recovery store. So for this, I'm just going to click on beauty and health. Okay, so let's go. Now we can just select the color, which in my case is going to be green, and the banner, okay, which is going to be something like this for me. Now guys, it's essential that you click on register in Shopify. Even if you already have an account, just click on it, just sign in with your email. Okay, this is very important. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to click on next. Once you do this, you're going to have to paste the URL of your store that you can easily find in here. Okay, this is very important. Just like this. And you're going to have to follow all of these steps even to install this thing. Even if you already have installed it, just click on here because otherwise, again, you're not going to be able to go live, okay? And just click and go live. So now it's going to start building and it's going to be ready in a couple of minutes. And as you can see, that's going to take like a couple of minutes, but it's going to work fine. And I recommend you actually have your store already populated of like products. And the only job of Doba AI is not going to be to make it more pretty. So as you can see, all of my products were successfully added to the store, okay? And we can use also like a lot of different AI tools, but I'm just gonna show you how it looks right now. So let's click on this, view your store. And it's gonna look like this, okay? And what I love about Doba is that you can add a bunch of different products in 1 second. So let's go for this. For these, you can just click on the AI picker, and now this is going to open. Now you can basically select your niche, which in my case is going to be like beauty and health. And I'm going to select wellness and relaxation. Okay, and the AI is going to start recommending different stuff. So I can just add it to my inventory list in 1 click. Okay, so let's, I don't know, maybe add this one. And you can also add like a new tag, but in this case, I'm just going to add it like that. Let's view it in my inventory list. And literally in 1 click, I can list it to my store. Okay, to my recently created store. So I can click and continue. Beautiful. And I can now add any kind of description, variants, and images. Okay, so this is pretty much how you can create your store or how you can modify it in a few clicks. So that's pretty much it. You can think of Doba as this kind of tool that is going to merge everything from the product listing to the product picking with a AI store builder. In the next tutorial, I'm going to give you my honest review on this service, and I'm also going to give you some other uses or some other services that we didn't cover in this one, so you can know how to fully understand this. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much.